everyone, it's Sarah with AWE, and behind me is an Elantra N with one of the two AWE systems installed. In this video, we have a ton of sound clips for you. But before we get into that, I want to give you a quick overview of the system so you can make sense of what you're about to hear. Of course, you're welcome to skip ahead to those sound clips, but if you want to get a little more in depth, stick with me and I'll show you what they're all about. Beginning at the inlet, the AWE system picks up after the emissions equipment. It bolts up using a factory-style flange and reuses your factory gasket and hardware. Continuing all the way back is 3-inch T304L stainless, and as you can see, there's plenty of clearance around the fuel tank and all the heat shields. That brings us to the SwitchPath and Track Edition sections. The Track Edition is exactly what it looks like, and will give you the same rowdy soundtrack regardless of what drive mode you're in. The SwitchPath features a specifically tuned and straight-through muffler on the driver's side and a valved section on the passenger side. This uses your factory valve motor and plugs directly into your OE wiring harness with our wiring harness extension. Plus, it works seamlessly with your factory valve functionality and retains all drive modes. That brings us to the tips. This system features 5-inch dual, double-walled, and slash-cut tips available in chrome silver or diamond black. So now that you've seen the systems, here's how they sound. We hope you liked what you heard. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.